Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cool Things to Buy. Dear viewers, in this video I am going to introduce you about the amazing Lipo portable monitor for PS4. This Lipo monitor has display of 14 inch. It has resolution of 1920x1080 using the IPS panel. So, due to this amazing feature, this monitor brings you an ultimate visual experience. This monitor is a portable monitor with HDMI and USB-C inputs. It has weight of 3.32 pounds only. It's available on Amazon in just $199.99. This professional IPS panel offers a 178-degree wide viewing angle, which ensures an easily readable display at almost any angle. The IPS technology panel means that the screen shows the most perfect picture, keeping away from polarized light and blur when you look at it from the side. Lipo portable monitors provide you with an immersive viewing experience and enjoy the happiness of a big screen. On the other hand, the eye protection feature aims to protect you from the fatigue after long time of focusing on the portable screen. It is super lightweight portable monitor and ultra slim. Portability has been the central consideration of Lipo monitor. It has 0.3-inch screen thickness and 1.7 lb total weight. Humanized port back design placed on the desktop will not be disturbed by the cable, enhance the experience from the details. Lipo portable monitors are committed to the portability of the screen. This model comes with an attached upgraded smart cover. The soft cover doubles as a stand. The upgraded smart cover is the best embodiment, supporting horizontal and vertical modes. It can be easily placed in a handbag, which makes it an ideal portable display for business travel and telecommuting. With the organized and simple design, cables will not be twisted. It greatly improving your work efficiency with the extended portable monitor. Also, you can adjust the portable screen to extend, mirror or rotate more according to your needs. The Lipo monitor is a versatile monitor that can be connected in two ways. The first method uses a USB Type-C connection to a device that includes a full-featured USB Type-C port that supports power and video. The second method uses either the USB-A to Type-C or a Type-C cable to supply power and a mini HDMI input for the video. Its upgraded features support USB-C and mini HDMI plus dual sound stereo speaker and 3.5mm audio ports. It can be used as a normal portable monitor with your laptop or even extend the screen of your favorite video gaming console. Dual stereo speakers and 3.5mm audio port, tone synchronization, bringing a great gaming experience. The port back design makes the connection cable hidden behind the monitor more concise and clear. Everything is to fully enjoy the fun of sharing the screen. Lipo portable travel monitor is widely compatible with a variety of terminal models, smartphones, laptops, and game devices. No additional software and hardware support is required. Choose the connection method suitable for the device among Type-C and HDMI ports and enjoy the convenience of one more screen. You can either connect your smartphone to the USB-C port to extend the mobile gaming display, or you can extend the gaming console screen using the HDMI cable. With Type-C and HDMI ports, extensive compatibility makes Lipo portable display a good gaming monitor. Choose an appropriate connection method and connect it with the portable large screen. Enjoy a more exciting game world. Choose landscape or portrait mode. when you browse novels and books. Avoid the long time mouse sliding. When designing, expand the screen to view the complete graphic without having to zoom back and forth. All this only requires you to adjust the setting to extend mode and mirror mode. You will enjoy the convenience brought to you by the Lipo portable monitor, while reducing the size of display to increase convenience. Lipo did not reduce the parameter in terms of screen hardware. The full HD 1080 pixel resolution presents the details vividly. The contrast ratio of 1000:1 and the optional HDR mode further upgrade the visual experience. This monitor is easier to store. It is extremely lightweight and ultra slim. You don't need to spend extra effort to carry extra screen bags when traveling. Just directly put them into your daily backpack, business briefcase, handbag, or suitcase, etc. The Lipo comes with a matte black protective cover which folds around the display to shield the front. The cover doubles as a foldable stand. The easy to access ports are clearly marked. All sorts of accessory included: one mini HDMI to HDMI cable, one USB-C to USB-C video cable, one USB-C power cable, one power brick, one screen protector, one smart cover which is attached to the portable monitor, one user guide kit.